Do you want to sound polite and natural in French? Let's learn 20 everyday expressions that make you sound like a native. These are simple phrases you use daily, whether you are greeting someone, asking a question, or just being polite. Bonjour, good morning. Bonsoir, good evening. Salut, this is I or bye. Merci, thank you. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. De rien. You're welcome. Excusez-moi. Excuse me. Pardon. Sorry. S'il vous plaît. Please. Oui. Yes. Non. No. Peut-être. Maybe. Je ne comprends pas. I don't understand. Comment tu t'appelles? What's your name? Je m'appelle. My name is. Enchanté. Nice to meet you. Comment ça va? How are you? Ça va bien. I am fine. Au revoir. Goodbye. And à bientôt. See you soon. Remember that repetition is key in learning. Practice this with your friend or in front of a mirror. So if you learn something new, say merci beaucoup in the comments and tell me your favorite French expression.